If you could say your full name and your title and your company for me, please.
Yeah, my name is Indradyumna Datta. So I work for Jindal Steel and Power. So I'm working as a group chief digital officer.
Thank you so much for speaking to us today. Tell me, why was it important for you to sign up and attend this important event?
So I think the smart manufacturing led by Industry 4.0 is going to a totally different direction. And we are standing at an inflection point where we are actually going to take the next level of leap and maturity. So being in a manufacturing industry, in a coal sector like steel, it's becoming very imperative to understand what the industry is doing, what my peers are doing, and maybe the similar industries of manufacturing and steel players are doing. So this kind of forum gives us opportunity to connect with different levels of people and get the understanding about how the industry is going toward this digital transformation journey.
As you said, you're surrounded by peers from different sectors at this forum. What is the buzzword that keeps floating to the top, or what is the question that most of you are discussing?
So I think the most important question today is like how quickly are we going to get the ROI when we are investing in digital? Because the boardroom discussions are happening on the line that there is no need of additional pursuance to convince the board that digital is important. That is done. But the thing is like how quickly we can get the ROI from these investments, and it has to have an impact on all the three pillars, which is people, process, and technology.
If I had to push you for a timeline on expected ROI, what would you say?
So I think it depends upon the type of projects that we undertake, but the return on investments are pretty faster in digital transformation projects because of the single reason is that it is not any capex based investment, because we can actually leverage the current set of equipment, processes, technologies, and just change the way we are doing things. So the return of investment varies between 6 months to 1 year. In some cases, it could go beyond a year or two, but then it gives a handsome return, and that's where I think the executive management is interested to invest in digital projects.
Of course, we all like handsome returns. Just lastly, if you could leave one piece of advice, one pearl of wisdom from the steel sector to other delegates here, especially those new to adopting and changing with the digital landscape, what would it be?
So I will suggest that we need to work towards a single source of truth. So single source of truth has to be led by data. And the data has to be put up into systems like data lake, which some of the other participants were also talking about. So I feel that steel or else other industries need to focus on connecting their different sources to the data lake, and that becomes the new foundation, which will give a lot of multiplier effects into their digital transformation journey, because once you set your foundation right, then whatever applications you are building, whatever value you are delivering for the organization becomes much more. So, yeah.
Superb. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.